All right. Is we ready in this thing? Welcome to the Wordpress training event here at the Hostmasters. All right, it's Friday. Hi, everybody. It is me, Lady Hell, and I'm so excited that you are tuning in today. Today, I'm going to show you how we're going to go through whether if you are a wholesaler, reseller, or even if you're just a regular user. Okay, I'm going to show you how we go back through the interface and go in through the back way and we're gonna make these update some stations. And so since we're doing some updating to our stations, that's why I just to a network station. This came in my queue, so I was like, okay, let me go on and knock this out real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and join me on the screen there. As you begin to join me on the screen, we're gonna go and we're gonna go find. Um, wait a minute. I need to find the right thing. Okay, so I'm sorry, let's go on the screen, but let me log into the right server and everything. We don't want to be in the wrong server. All right. So I just need to sign off. So I hope you all are doing well. If you're watching this, let me know where are you from. All right. Let me know where you're from or you're coming from. All right. How you found us, what you were looking to do, things of that nature. I just need to find the right host, which I think I'm in now. So let me go back to my screen there. It's like, I think it's on this server. If it's not, we have a couple of other servers and I need to find where it is. So I'm going to go to list account. I'm in the web host management system. If you are a reseller, you also have a web host management system. If you're not a reseller, then your options look like this, but not kind of the same. Okay, so no, I don't even think you get web host management because you don't need that. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna go into cPanel there because I don't remember people's passwords or anything like that. Now, if you're a non-reseller and you're just a user, you have a cPanel that's gonna look like this. It'll have all your domains listed, etc. If you have them on the particular server. All right. So we're going to go in and I'm going to find the WordPress installation, and it's telling me that there are 5 updates. Obviously, I have not done. Okay. So this one, I need to figure out um, mm, the installations because I don't know them. Wow. All right. We have some, but they say Houston, we have a problem. Because I don't know the passwords. Jesus. Okay. Oh, because I think I've migrated it over. So it's VSC network.com. I don't even know this password. Is it WP login? Is it W? Should be WP admin. Y'all, I don't know this password. I hate when I do stupid stuff like that. All right. So I don't remember the password, and maybe this is good or something. I don't remember. But however, if I saved it in Google, you can always go to Google Passwords. But if not, I'll show you how to go in the database and change the password. So just go to passwords.google.com, and I hope it doesn't make me authenticate. And okay, I did save it. So let me come off here real quick. And let's get the password. Okay, so we're gonna be getting the password real quick. So let me. Oh goodness, now it's asking me to verify. So people realize that no, she doesn't keep up with nobody password. Okay. All right, so I got the password. Let's go back to the screen, and hopefully this is it. Because if it's not, then we have to go in another way and make it do what it do. Let me stop that little clock from going. All right, cool. All right, so we're back. Oh, we're back on the screen there, and It's a spelling test I had. Okay. My kids watching and be like, why you got the spelling test up there? Okay, I'm gonna press login. Hopefully this is it. If it is, I'm gonna press save. Okay, and I'm just gonna say update. Okay, so when we come in here, it's telling me, hey, you got 18 updates and all these plugins and whatnot that needs to be done. So the thing with WordPress, they already send you most of your updates, etc., etc., and you just need to make sure you keep stuff updated. So the first thing we're going to do, because we don't want the website getting hacked, we don't want any vulnerabilities or anything like that. We need to update the primary interface. So we're going to update to 5.51. So where it says please update now. Alrighty, say to update the plugin WordPress. Don't want to play audio. Okay, we'll worry about that later. So first, we're gonna update WordPress. Okay, that's the major thing. You want to come through, make sure you're doing all your updates and etc. So while that is going on, we can talk about updates and whatnot. Okay, it's really important that you update your website, because if you don't update your website, y'all remember like 70% or 76 or 80% of websites are run by WordPress, because guess what? People who don't have no time on their hand like to go through and just put out little bugs on the internet and different things like that. But however, if you keep your site updated, WordPress has been amazing over the years in making sure your site stays safe and it doesn't get hacked and things like that. A lot of times where people get hacked is they don't keep their plugins and different things like that updated. With any website, you have to keep your website updated. If not, guess what? Whoever you pay to do your website might not update it. And they might not update it because you might not pay them to go in there and update your stuff. So often that's why with our clients, we have I have a hosting package, and I have a hosting package that has updates and different things like that, which is a monthly fee that the clients pay, and you're able to go in and update and different things of that nature. So it pays for things like that. But if they don't have that type of package, guess what? We might have to go in and update, and then when we go through an update, it's all this stuff that needs to be done. It's not just simple. So some things are not as simple as updating the website. So anyway, now we've updated to the latest and greatest of WordPress. Now we still have 18 different updates, because that's how obviously long it has been since this stuff been updated. So we're gonna say update all these plugins, right? So I'm gonna let it do what it do, go through, and hopefully it'll update all of these plugins, etc. If I have everything installed like I should, and whatnot. So again, you go through, update your plugins, make sure everything is pretty much updated. And if you actually own the plugins, you should have license code, licensing fee, whatever it is. You should have those codes to update. And if you don't, guess what? You need to go get them codes, or you can go update or get the latest and greatest, whatever. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Alright, so I believe most of these should be updated as you see. Now it's just depending on your host. I know on most of our hosts, it doesn't take long to update site. We use light speed technology, and we got a whole bunch of stuff to make sure these websites stay up and running, suited and booted. Okay, so now it looks like the updates that needs to be done probably needs to be done to the themes. Oh, it's this right here. Okay, you have installed this, yada yada. Okay, this is that plugin that needs to. Oh, so we need to go and download Wonder Player, audio player, or whatever. So we need a player. But however, since we have a secure theme, we might can use muses again. Let me see, muses.com. Sometimes it's work, sometimes it don't work. I don't really remember when it's like a muses muses player. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to work or not, because at one point it didn't work, but you had to have a secure stream in order for work, and we have a Now we have a secure stream. So I'm gonna go server 2 real quick. Oh, Jesus, help me. Okay, and I'm just gonna test one of these streams to make sure that that stream is working. So yada yada yada. As long as, which if we use the proxy ones, it should work fine. So, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna test it on here. And as long as we get a thing here, we should be good. Okay, so generate code. Oh, what skin I had? Okay. Oh, filling station name. What is this? Oh, that's it. Let me say generate code. Okay. Yeah, so now that that should actually work and everything. So I probably don't even have to use that stupid plugin anymore. But it got some other stuff. So anyway, we ain't gonna worry about that one. But because at one time the stream wasn't. Yeah, that's what it was. These Jesus, these little themes. Oh my God, y'all, it's bugs out here and everything. So as you see, everything is updating, and I want to say I have. Yeah, I'm like I thought I had a code to the B thing, so that's cool. Alright, so I'm going to return to things, etc. So, as I do that, now we're going to do the updates, okay? So we had to go through and do all that. Okay, so it say Indie Nation has no play link. So I'm going to go to pages. Everything is on the page. Obviously, I'm not talking about building. So I'm just going to look for the page Indie Nation. Search. There we go. Say edit. Okay, and I think Indie Nation Radio is somewhere. It's obviously not on here. You have, let's see. Okay, this one has no player. So since that has no player, I think that is on server 1, Indie Nation. So I'm going to go to server 1, vscnetwork.com. Then I'm going to go to admin. I mean, no, that's not that. Server 1 is network. Okay, and then okay, here go Indie Nation. I'm going to log into the server. Obviously, if you're not a reseller, you don't have options like that. You just log into it. I'm going to press quick links. I'm going to go to here where it says v2 proxy blah blah blah, right? So I'm going to press Command C. I'm going to go into Muses. I'm going to set up here. Then I'm going to label this Indie Nation. And I'm going to generate the code. Okay. Make sure it's playing. Alright, so it's playing. Once it's playing, I'm going to copy this here. Command C. Come back over here. Like so. Then I'm going to save the changes. Okay, and if I want to put a featured image, honestly, I don't know if we have a copy of the Indie Nation. I don't see one on there, so I'm not going to do all that, but I'll explain that in another actual tutorial about having a featured image, when the paper crawl your pages, etc., etc. But this is what we want to do, so I'm just going to say update. Once I say update, I'm just going to take this link here, which is the permalink, Indie Nation, ready to go. I'm going to open it in a new browser. And when I open it in a new browser, I'm just going to press this. Then we're going to make sure that there is a link that is there. So we know it's playing. Sometimes it's just great to open it up in another browser. You can also come over here and we can put that same link in there. Oh, actually no. Let's do this. Let's do a new incognito, which means you're not logged in like you normally are. So we can also test it in Chrome. Okay. All right. So I know it's there. Alright, so it's working, it's good, it's good. So that page has been updated. So it's an Indian channel plan. Matt Radio needs to be changed to Rough Boys Radio. So we need to come to pages. Then I'm gonna find the page that I have, which is called Matt. Is it Matt? Yeah. Alright. So this needs to be changed to Rough Boys. What did it say? Rough Boys Radio. Then I'm going to edit the permalink and change that to Rough Boys Radio. Okay, that's how you easily change a permalink. Then I'm going to go through here, and then I'm just going to, it's obviously playing. So if it's obviously still playing, we're going to let it play. And we're just going to say update. And now the thing has been updated. Again, if I take the permalink, copy this, I'm going to go to File in the new incognito window. I'm going to press this because I want to see how it looks. Obviously, it has some player there. Okay, so we need to change. Yes, God is the greatest power. So the other thing that we need to change is what it says. So I need to come down here and go to, it's a heading and blah blah blah. So this needs to say Rough Boys Radio and Rough Boys Radio. It's in 24 hours, and if there was something else that needed to be done, oh well, it wasn't told to me. Alright, so I'm just going to say update. Alright, now once I have updated, again, I can take this permalink, which I already had. I'm going to go to copy. I'm going to go to File, a new incognito window. Once I do that, Command V or Control V if you're on the PC. Okay, we've changed the name of the radio station, etc., and boom, it's playing there. So that's perfectly fine. Okay, so we got that done. All right. So in my notes, because I like to write notes to my assistant, so they'll know what to tell our clients, etc. Okay. So Indian Radio has an updated play link. Matt Radio has been changed to Rough Boys Radio. Okay, so now what's this? Docs Talk change to JPT Productions. So I'm going to go to pages. Talk. Okay, so we got to edit here. And this needs to be changed to, alright, this one just changed. Okay, so this one needs to be changed to JPT Productions. So copy. Okay, and this is JPT Productions. Okay. Alright, and then, oh crap, we need to get that permalink for that other one. Okay, so let's set this. Whoever did that. Let me Holy Ghost Spirit. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Let's see, what was that? Doc's place has been no, not Doc's place. Doc's talk has been changed to JPT Productions on the website. Now, right, so we don't need to underline that. Oh my God, text. I don't know why that's underlined, but whatever, right? Okay. Then the rough boys thing. So this is actually HTTPS. It should be. I want to say yeah. Here's the link. Okay. That's because I haven't put a thing yet. Alright, whatever. So, oh my, everything is itching on me. I hate when I start itching. So JP, okay, this one used to be like Doc's Talk. So we need to go over to, I don't think Doc's Talk was on here. Or was it? That one says Rough Boys Radio, so that's like Master says Radio. Okay. I don't think that's right. So let's go to overview. Sorry. Okay, that's this here. Okay, and go to quick links. Okay, and we're going to put this right here. So Command C. Once we Command C, then we come back over here. Oh, Command C, Command C. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna put over here. Okay. Hello?
Hey, what do y'all want to eat? Because I need to get me something to eat.
Where you by?
In your backyard?
Oh, it don't matter. I mean, whatever you want and
I don't
stuff.
know. I'm getting everybody something.
Okay, hold on, cause I'm recording myself and you on the video talking about what we want to eat. I'm in the backyard though.
You in the backyard?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hold on, let me finish this right quick. Yeah, I'll figure out something.
okay.
I'm almost done. Okay, so we're gonna name this is JPT Productions. That's what it's called. Generate code. So we're just gonna take this off here. We're gonna Command C. Once we Command C, we're gonna Command V over here. Update. Hey, go Granny out there.
Granny?
Yeah. Okay. And so, oops, do that. I'm just gonna come over here, do an incognito thing, the incognito window. Once I do that, oops, we don't obviously want that, so I want this here. Okay. And let's find that incognito window. Okay, that's on there. Okay, we've updated that. Then, okay, Doc's place changed to okay, MJW radio. Doc's place. So I guess, like I said, these are already Doc's place. I don't have a Doc's place on here. Oh, here we go. Right. This is changed to, is this MGW? Go tell the, one of them kids, come here. Good. MGW. Hold on, I'm finna help you. Sure. Okay. Dots. Place. I don't know how to do this. The dots place. I don't know how to take the. I don't know how to take the things. There we go. Okay. That place has been changed to MGW radio. Okay. Here is the link.
Can I look at the EC thing?
David, I'm right here, son.
Mama.
David.
No. I didn't want to let me use the phone.
I don't even have my phone.
Where do you have it?
Okay, well just leave me alone for a second, please. Okay, so Doc place behind the brokenness needs to be one way. Behind the brokenness change, one way change, positive living change. S&M radio, I'm putting it back on until I resell it. Okay, but what's the, okay, what are the name? Okay. So, what is the for the radio stations? Update. Okay. So we did that. Now we need to find one more. I think is it SNM? SNM radio. Okay, we need to just edit the player on that. So we're gonna go into here and who? What is he doing?
Mama, can you open the door?
I asked you that just a second. Got it?
Yes!
Yes, I do. I think I do. I'm almost finished. Oh goodness. Okay, so we need to get this string here again. Like I told you, when help Holy Spirit. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna set this up accordingly. Yes, and ready. Okay, generate code. Okay, so we enter there in. Okay. We have that there accordingly. Okay, so I'm just gonna take those behind the book. I'm just gonna take them off. Behind the brokenness. Okay, so we're just gonna trash that. Okay, and put one way radio. Okay, she trashes that. It was one way radio, something else. What was it? Behind the ruffle. And positive living. Okay, we take those off the website. Alright, so those 3 stations are gone. Okay. Okay. So, the brokenness on the way and positive living and updated the stream for S and M. S and M. S and M. Where we go? Okay, so we did. Huh? Alright. So we went through and updated all already, the radio stations that needed to be updated. And typically I do charge a fee for this.
Come on, your charger.
Because obviously, look at that was work that has to be done. So somebody's going to get invoiced for that. However, yeah. Alright, so that's how you go through and update stations on your Wordpress.